This is Charlie coming to you from the Yu-Gi-Oh! Resistance page of a deck profile we got here for our 2013 September ban list. It's Super Defense Robots, just came out of the new Judgment of the Light set, and I'm going to show it to you and how they work. They're pretty sick, actually. So you got your main two defense robots, well, three there is actually, but you got your Monkey and you got your Lyle. Both, or all the Super Defense robots can be normal summon and then special summon either another Super Defense robot or Orbital 7. So that's pretty much what the deck's doing. Now, these two guys, pretty much their effects work together, or if you can get them to go off together, it's perfect, because it's Monkey banish a machine monster from your graveyard to go ahead and add a Super Defense robot or Orbital 7 to your hand. When this process actually happens, activates Lyle's effect. You get a special summon then of that monster that you got to add to hand, so you get some excellent exceeding going off. So you got your Orbital 7s in the deck, and then you got your big 8-star Elfin over here. He's great because he can make any of the Super Defense robots or Orbital 7 a level 8, so instant level 8 overlay plays. Now he can only be used for an Exceed summon of a machine type Exceed, so we got some pretty sick ones in the extra deck to show you afterwards. Ooh. So we have a Machina engine in the deck as well. We're playing triple gear frame, which is searching us our one fortress. One fortress is more than enough in the deck. He's a level 7. He doesn't work quite right with the deck, but he just comes out and he's 2,500. You can keep bringing him back with those level 8s you got in your hand. Main thing we're searching is triple Machina cannon. Cannons are level 8. You just ditch a machine, summon them, overlay. It's perfect. Works really, really great in the deck too with our triple Gear Spring Spirit. Gear Spring Spirit's going to be so good because we got nothing but machines in here, and he just special summoning level 8, drops my opponent's attack to 0, I run over it. Such sick play as he goes off with. And our one Birdman, because you go like, you can special summon this, pop it back, Birdman, and you got some really, really neat synchros going on. Spells in the deck. Double MST, double trade-in, 2 Iron Call, and some new tech for the deck. We're playing a Soul Release in here. This is to hit the stuff in my opponent's graveyard, or if I need to clear up my either Solidarity in the deck or my Gear Spring Spirits, I can go ahead and remove some Exceed monsters that aren't machines. So Solidarity's in there. We're playing a single Lance, our bottomless. Dark Hole. Mess up every time on Dark Hole. Foolish Burial. Our one limiter removal. I wish I could play more. Just one machine duplication. He goes off really with Orbital 7 only, and it's a pretty good play, so it's worth having in there. Only a couple traps. Double Call the Haunted. Woo! Making a mess here. 2 Phoenix Shade. Our single Compulsory, and our single Bottomless Trap Hole. And that there, my friends, is the deck. We're going to go ahead and show you the extra deck now, some of those sick monsters we're summoning. We're playing 3 synchros in the deck. We're playing a Star Eater. I mean, it's Birdman plus any of the level 8s in the deck. Star Eater. Perfect card. Love this thing. 1 Scrap Archfiend for, well, the level 4 in the deck plus Birdman, and the 1/6 for any of the level 3s plus Birdman. So, Birdman being the only tuner, that's the only synchros. Our trump card for the deck. Googly Eyes Drum Dragon. As stupid as this thing looks and sounds, it's amazing. It's got 3,000 attack, it comes out, you detach a material, it goes up to 4,000. If this thing is destroyed while it has a material attached to it, you can banish a Super Defense robot from your graveyard to special summon him to the field. And then, if you have a Super Defense robot in the graveyard, you can then attach it to him again, so you can use that effect again, and he just doesn't really die, and he's still got 3,000. Amazing card. With Elfin's effect, only going for machines, we're playing 2 of the gimmick puppets. We're playing Grinder and Strings in here. Grinder comes out, and he's just like destroying your opponent's special summon monsters, and they take damage equal to their attack. It's a game-winning card. And Strings, 3,000, can go ahead and destroy everything on the field and burn for some more damage. Sick cards. That's my rank X. Rank 8s for the deck. We're playing some rank 4s in here. We got our Lava Chain Emerald, you know, pretty standard. Might want some more of those, they're pretty sick. We're playing Geargan X. Sick card, going ahead and search my machines. For now, we're playing Utopia Ray. Might drop it if we go ahead and get some more Gear Connects. And we have our 1 Albert each for our other 4, because they're all Earth. And we're playing 2 rank 3s for our monkeys in here. Fortune 2 is really great because it goes ahead and puts the monkeys back in the deck, and it doesn't end up in the graveyard to, like I say, mess up the unity the deck needs. And a lot of stuff gets banished with Googly Eyes and Monkey and stuff, so...
Don't forget that Soul Release.
Gotta love Soul Release. You can go ahead and special summon back some stuff. That's pretty sick. Alright guys, that's the deck. Tell us what you think. Give us a like, rate, comment, and subscribe, all that nice stuff. We'll see you later.